Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, we'll be remaking a Calippo style bass, so the final result will sound like this. So now, let's dive into the preset. It sounds like this. So selecting the preset. Enable the filter. And for us the A, we're gonna go for the master wavetable. Lower down to octaves and put a wavetable around here. Then enable oscillator B. We're gonna go for the square wavetable, lower down to octaves as well, and put it up 3 unisons. This will give some more harmonics to the bass line. So now, put a filter to low 24, cut off around here. Put a drive and fatness, and shape envelope 2 like this. With too much cutoff, so lower it down to around here. This will really bring out the pluckiness of the bass line. So now let's effeminate it a little bit. There's way too much, so just around here sounds fine. Then the last thing we're gonna do is enable the sub oscillator and select direct out. And lower down 1 octave and put the level all the way up. This will really boost the sub bass of the bass line. So now let's dive into the effects. First of all, we have the OCT compression. Just put the gain up around here. This really brings out the highs a bit more. There's some hyper dimension. No hyper and only a bit of dimension to make the bass a bit wider. Then we're gonna add some distortion. Diode 2. It's a bit too much, so lower the drive. Alright, envelope 2 to it. Right now it sounds a bit heavy, so let's put up the filter. Low 24. And shape it the same as we did in the filter tab. Just like this. There's some EQing to add some more pluckiness to the bass line. So we're gonna boost the bass around here. With envelope 2 to the gain. This will really make it a bit more plucky. And then we're gonna add a chorus to make it a bit more wider. And to finish it off, we're gonna add some reverb. Because it's a bass line, we don't want any lows in the reverb, so put it low cut. And lower on the size and decay. And lower on the mix as well. And there you already have your Calippo style bass line. So the final result sounds like this. And that's it. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next videos.